So we're back to the door again. Got my part. So we got to pull the door panel again. Clip in here. Carefully do that. Come on. Okay. Undo that screw. Clip in the armrest here. Cover undone here. Alright, I had a little memory card issue, full card. I can't even speak. I had a little memory card full issue. I don't know what you actually saw, and I won't know until I go back and look at it, but basically one screw in the armrest, one screw in the door lock, one screw in the light underneath the light cover. Just pop that cover out. Pull the door out at the bottom. This piece, you got to take this trim piece off. It just has a, goes in, tips down, pushes in. Took that off, and one metal bracket here. Pulled that off, peeled the plastic down. Now, I've got this tie wrap before, if you didn't see the previous one, and I don't know what I did with my pliers I just had. There they are. I'm going to cut my cable tie. I was holding the piece of wood in place, and I'm going to unscrew the one screw I have in here. Kept it from moving. Okay, now I'm going to wedge my door, my window here before I pull this wood. I'm just going to use my panel tools and kind of wedge the window in place. Should hold it up for me for the time being so I get this new regulator. I just push that in carefully. Pull my wood out here. Pull this piece of wood out. The window should stay put. There we go. Take that out. Get my regulator, which I have sitting here. Okay. Just gonna feed it into the door here. Top and bottom, and then 3 bolts here. Fit into the door. Should fit right in place. Easily, I hope. That's the plan, the thought. I got it too far without tilting it up. There we go. See if I can get my top one in place here. There's my top. And I reach through and grab this motor. Get it up into place here. Trying to stay out of your way at the same time. It's kind of hard, this position wise. Let's see what we got here. There we go. Let me get a, that's actually going to stay put. We'll get a nut started on one of them to hold it. Just to hold it in place. I get the top one here started. Just got to hook my door up again. Cable came loose. This is not a very hard one, actually. It's pretty easy on this. Well, I say that now, but I'm probably jinxing myself. But make sure my bottom's lined up, which it is, which you can't see, but just one bolt down the bottom here. So I want to get that started. Good. Let me get them all snugged up. Don't go nuts. Just snug them up. Get your electrical connector here. It has to get connected here. Plug that in now while we're thinking of it. Okay, good. Now, my 2 holes to mount are right here that fit the bracket on the bottom of the window. I'm going to reach up in, hold the window, slide it down onto that bracket. Get my 2 bolts ready here that I have. And get that put back in. Get these where I can get them at them easily. Not having to hunt them. Get a hand on the window so it doesn't drop suddenly on me. Now I should be able to let it down. I've got to feed it into place here. Just holding it in the track, lining it up. Alright, I've got it lined up. The hole. See if I can get this started. Get that one just in place and start it a little bit. I'm not going to tighten it all the way up until I get both of them in. I'm just going to run it in a little bit. Alright, I know that one's in there. Same thing with this one on this side. Kind of being blocked a little bit by the plastic, but don't crush these, it's glass, so just snug them up. Okay. Now I'm going to hook the electrical connectors back up. Let me fix my door here. That's interesting. I don't know how that came out. It's got to go in between here. Got to figure out how that works. All moves as one piece, huh? Ain't that something? So how am I supposed to get that in there? It's got to go in there somehow, right? Kind of like that one. No idea how that came out. To tell you the truth, maybe I do now. Turn it all the way around. Turn it all the way around, push it in. Now, there we go. Whew, easy enough. Alright, let me get my door hooked back up so I can test this. Yeah, I'm having a memory card issue. It's 2 cards in a row that were full because I didn't check them beforehand. It's not the card's fault, my fault. So I don't know what you're actually seeing. Hopefully you're seeing all of it, but I don't know. Let me turn the ignition on. Key on. Key's on. Let's, oh, look at that. That thing of beauty. Alright, we're good. I'm in a filming crisis today. Not doing too well on it. Push them back through the hole. Now they work. Shut my key off. Alright. Get this back in place here. Stuff did not stick very well the first time to anything but me. Stuck to me fine. It didn't want to stick to the door too well. Why? I don't know. Who knows? Just need to make sure it's back in place and sealed up as good as it can be. See if I can find a replacement push pin for that one. Alright, I have my push pin situation straightened out. I'm going to connect my connectors back up here. Feed my door lock, my handle back through. Just hang my door up here temporarily. Get it in place. Now you know what? I gotta put a bracket back on, I forgot. This bracket in the middle of the door. Don't forget it. I almost forgot it. My door panel's probably right in my way. Oh, sure, now you show yourself. Back in. Now, feed my door lock, my handle through one more time. Both my cables are hooked up. There we go. Alright. Need the front of that in first. There's a hole for it. Get that lined up. Okay. Come on. Everybody's good. Alright, now, before I go any further, I'm going to try this one more time, make sure everybody's happy. Okay. Just gonna put my screws back in. That's all. You're beeping at me. No, you're actually not out of this. 3 different memory cards. All 3 ran out of disk space. Let's see if I can go 4 for 4 today. Good. Clip back in. Good. Clip back in here. Good, good. Now one more down here. Which I'm shining a light in my face. I'll do it. There we go. We're good to go. This, like I said, tip it, push it down into it first. I'm sure that's in there. Yeah, it is. It's in there. Good. Alright. Put my light cover on the bottom again. Good. Screws in, that screws in, panels in, back to normal. Alright, put the window back up. Good to go. Well, it looks good. That's it. Not a big deal, actually. Pretty simple on this vehicle.